Facts about eye are very much fascinating as it is the most complicated sense organ, whether it is in humans or animals. It is considered a soul's window to the world and also a blessing from nature to the Kingdom Animalia. The eye is the most complex sense organ after the brain. Different animals have different visions from each other, some possess inferiority over others and some not. For instance, an eagle has a very sharp vision than a human, but the eagle lacks the ability to think like a human after watching a scene. Similarly, a human lacks the ability to watch from very large distances, but the eagle do. We as a human are not able to recognize a whole color range out of the visible light spectrum, while other organisms, including many insects, are able to recognize the world using infrared light as bees do. Also, there are some insects possessing the ability to perceive the ultraviolet spectrum. Without wasting time, let's come to the facts about the eye. Interesting facts about eye one by one. Males are often colorblind. It is data-oriented information that males are often diagnosed colorblind than females. 2. Blood pressure and eye. An eye examination can also be used to diagnose a couple of other ailments like diabetes and hypertension or blood pressure. 3. Most complex eye structure. Mantis shrimp, a marine insect, is noticed to have the most complex eye structure. It even has 12 color receptors. If we compare this number with humans, then they only have 3. All this means that mantis shrimp can see a vast variety of colors that we did not see yet. 4. All babies are blind, I mean colorblind. Color recognition always starts to be developed after some weeks of childbirth, which can go around to 6 months to be fully developed. It means newborns are colorblind. 5. Fastest working muscle. The eye is considered the fastest muscle in the human body. You can imagine its swiftness by just transferring your focus to any other object, that how quickly its focus be transferred to other objects. 6. Eyes can regrow. In salamander, the eye can regrow just like other body organs. 7. We see upside down. The human eye resembles the pinhole camera or pinhole camera that resembles it. As pinhole camera focuses objects upside down, our eye does the same, but our brain is smart enough to process that mirrored view and shows it appropriate or upside up to us. 8. It has a colorless tissue. The cornea is a colorless tissue in front of the eye. It is the only tissue in the human body after cartilage which does not have blood vessels. If there were blood vessels in the cornea, we may have blurred visions. 9. Eye transplant. Eye transplant is not still possible with the present technology, but the cornea is possible to be transplanted in some medical conditions. Experiments and researches on this topic are in progress to make it possible. 10. Largest eye in the world. It is noted that the colossal squid has the largest eye in the Kingdom Animalia, which is noted to be around 17 inches. 11. DSLR is copied design. If you focus an object, you will notice that the whole background is blurred and your eye specifically focuses on the object you are observing. The DSLR cameras specifically copy this feature from the eye. I hope you enjoyed reading all these facts. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.